If you've ever renovated a home, you may be wondering how much value it adds to a house. I'm here with Joanne Danckwardt of One Agency JD Property Agents in Fairy Meadow. And Joanne, I'm on the final days of a bathroom renovation, and I know a bathroom renovation is in your near future. How much value does a bathroom renovation add to a property's value?
It's really interesting, isn't it? Because we sometimes think if we spend X amount, that's actually going to increase the value of the home by that same amount. It doesn't actually work that way, guys. It all depends on what you're doing, and your taste might not be everybody's taste as well. So there's a lot of factors that come into it. Also, you know, you can go out and you can buy these beautiful Italian tiles, or you can buy, you know, just your everyday Joe Blow tiles. And so your cost of your bathrooms, I don't know about you, but it can be extremely expensive. Mine's blowing out, and I haven't even started, but you know, like mine's double what I thought it was going to be at the beginning. And also, you've got your cost of your trade. So it's not even just the supplies of the fittings and fixtures, it's also the cost of the trades. And if you're paying top premium prices for trades, as we are at the moment, they're blowing out. The costs are blowing out, and it doesn't necessarily relate to the same value in the home. Having said that though, the bathrooms and the kitchens are the two most important parts of the home that people really do place a lot of value on, and when they're looking at a property to purchase, they're the two things that stand out the most. You know, everybody thinks I can paint, I can, you know, do something with the floor coverings, it's pretty easy, but the bathrooms and the kitchens are the most expensive, and I always think they're worth updating and having them looking really nice. Even if you don't go to the full extent of a full renovation, just putting in some new fixtures, you know, new taps and a new shower, and maybe even a new screen on the shower, and making sure the grout, you know, you can even just regrout these days, you know, if the tiles are good. And some of the older homes that I sell, you know, where people have been living in them for 50, 60 years, the tiles are the really thick ones, and you can get the pink and the black bathrooms and different things, and they can look absolutely fantastic. And they don't need anything doing to them. You know, they just need maybe a new tap fitting, maybe an updated toilet. And those things, and painting can really add a lot of value as well as a new vanity. So you don't have to go the full hog like Kelly and I, but you can just do those sprucing up of things and add a lot of value to your home. So it does, it is something that people really do appreciate when it's a good renovation of the bathroom. I won't say it's not, it really does add value to have it looking really nice. But you've also got to be careful about your taste.
Yes, true. Very choice. Yes, well, good luck with the dust is all I can say, Joanne.
Not looking forward to that.
Now, if you have any questions around renovations or what to do to add value to your own property, please contact Joanne here at One Agency JD Property Agents in Fairy Meadow. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.